Hello everyone, I'm Sudeep and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something that's becoming a big part of our daily lives, artificial intelligence or AI as they call it. You have probably seen it already, whether you are unlocking your phone with your face or Netflix recommending what to watch next, or even those AI tools that can write, draw or talk like humans. But here's the thing, along with all the amazing stuff that AI can do, there are a lot of myths and wrong ideas going around. Some people say AI will steal all our jobs, others believe AI is already as smart as humans. And then there are those who think AI is just a hype, it's not useful at all. Today we are going to find out like what is true and what is not. In this video, I will take you through 7 of the most common myths around AI, and I will explain each one in a very simple way with real examples and stories from the real world, so that you can understand what AI is really doing and what it's not. You don't need to be a tech expert to understand this. Just stay with me, and I promise by the end of this video, you will have a clear picture of how AI works and how it's changing our world. So, if you are curious about AI, or if you have ever wondered whether these things you have heard about is actually true, this video is just for you. And hey, um, if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss the next one. All right, so let's get started and bust some of the AI myths together.
It's all about AI.
Let's start with myth number one. It says that AI will take away all human jobs. That's the biggest fear we have currently, and it's floating all around social media saying that all our jobs will be taken away by AI. Now, yes, AI is automating routine tasks, that's a reality, but that doesn't mean it is replacing humans entirely. Instead, it is reshaping the job roles. A case study, if we look into a case study, according to a report by PwC, AI could replace about 7 million jobs in UK from 2017 to 2037. However, in the same report, it indicates that AI could create around 7.2 million new jobs in the process, resulting in a net gain of 200,000 jobs. Another example is take Siemens for an instance, right? They use AI for predictive maintenance in factories. Instead of replacing engineers, what they are doing is that they are trying to retrain them to interpret the AI outputs and optimize the operations. So, what do you understand from this, or the key takeaways from this? AI won't steal your job, but someone who knows how to use AI might actually steal your job. Okay, myth number two, AI is smarter than humans. Next myth, AI is already smarter than us. This one comes from seeing AI beat humans in chess or writing poetry, but don't get fooled. DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated world champion Lee Sedol in 2016. But ask AlphaGo to explain the strategy it used, and it comes out blank. It's not, so we can say that it's not general intelligence, it's a specialized intelligence, which means it's a narrow AI. AI might be genius in one thing, but it's a total failure in others. It can't reason, plan across domains, or understand emotions like we do. So the key takeaway from this is that AI is very narrowed. It can be specialized for one particular task, but when you put it in different areas, it fails, as the humans are more specialized and they can do multitask and remember a lot of things and do a lot of things at the same time. And the human being can be an expert in multiple things, but as of today, where AI stands is that it can be specialized in one particular thing, like writing a poetry or playing chess or something like that. So myth number three, AI can think like humans. No, actually not. It can simulate a thought, but it cannot actually think. Example, ChatGPT or Google Gemini can respond stunningly in human ways, but it doesn't understand what it is saying. Uh, the way AI works is that it is trying to always predict the next best word. So if you ask it, can I use a toaster to dry my hair? It might say, sure. Or if you are careful enough, you might be able to use it. But it actually lacks the real world context that people should not and may not use a toaster to dry someone's hair. So you see, it lacks the context or the common sense or the real world situation actually. So, what is the key takeaway from this? AI can pass a test, but it does not know why an answer is actually right. So, that's the difference between how humans think and AI thinks. Myth number four, AI is unbiased. Myth number four is basically very dangerous. It says that AI is neutral and unbiased. It is absolutely wrong. AI reflects the data it's trained on with all its biases. In a case study in 2018, Amazon scrapped an AI recruitment tool after discovering it discriminated against female candidates. The tool was trained on resumes submitted over a period of 10 years, predominantly from men, leading the AI to favor male candidates over female ones. Another case in 2015, Google Photos mistakenly tagged photos of African American individuals as gorillas, highlighting significant flaws in AI image recognition systems underlying biases in training data. So, you can understand that AI bias isn't just a technical issue, it's a social one. We must build ethical guardrails uh, to use AI properly so that it is bias free and neutral. Myth number five, AI doesn't do mistakes. Some people say AI is flawless. Absolutely not. AI makes mistakes, sometimes hilarious, sometimes even costly. In a case study in 2021, Tesla's autopilot mistook the moon for a yellow traffic light, causing a vehicle to slow down unnecessarily. Another example, Google Photos once mistakenly tagged African Americans individuals as gorillas back in 2015, a major algorithmic failure. The truth? AI is only as good as the training, context, and oversight behind it. So don't ever think that AI doesn't make mistakes because it is trained on some set of data, and if there is a mistake in that data, AI will obviously repeat that mistake in its output. Okay, myth number six, AI is self aware. This myth sounds like it's straight out of a sci fi movie. People think that AI is self aware, or even it can do its own stuff, like it has feelings, thoughts, or even its own mind. But let's clear it up right now. Today's AI is not self aware, it's not even close. Just because AI can chat with you, answer questions, or write something that sounds human, it doesn't mean it actually understands what it is saying. It has no feelings, actually, no thoughts, and no awareness of itself. Let me give you an example. Back in 2022, a Google engineer said that one of its AI chatbots called Lambda had become self aware, right? And that it could feel and think like humans. It made headlines everywhere, but Google and most of the AI community quickly said, nope, that's not true. Lambda, just like other AI tools, is trained on a huge amount of human conversation. So, yes, it can sound like humans, but it does not actually know what it is saying. Think of it like this: AI is really good in predicting words, not understanding them. It is like a super smart parrot that can speak beautifully but doesn't know the meaning behind the words. So, next time you hear someone say AI has its own mind, just smile and remember it might talk to us, but but it definitely doesn't think like us. No way. And here's our final myth. And honestly, it is one of the biggest one out there. People think that only engineers, coders, or data scientists can work with AI. That might have been true 10 years ago, but not anymore. Today, anyone can use AI. You don't need to know how to code. You do not need a computer science degree. You just need curiosity and willingness to explore. Let me give you some real examples. Writers are using ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, fix grammars, and write stories. Designers are using tools like Runaway ML and Canva's Magic Design to create images, edit videos, and design graphics without touching a single line of code. Teachers are using AI to prepare lessons faster. Small business owners are using AI to create logos, respond to customer messages, and write product descriptions. So, all this isn't it amazing? The truth is, AI is no longer just for techies. It is for storytellers, teachers, artists, entrepreneurs, and even students. The tools are becoming so simple and user friendly that almost anyone can benefit from them, no matter their background. So, if you ever thought AI isn't for me because I don't know coding, I have got news for you. You don't need to know coding. The future of AI is for everyone, and that includes you. So, with that, I come to the end of this video. Let me know what you think. Were you surprised by any of these myths? It's easy to get lost in the hype, but when we step back and examine the facts, AI becomes a lot less mysterious, a lot more powerful in the right hands, actually. Remember, AI is not magic, it's math and it's statistics. And it's not a threat, but a tool if we use it wisely. If you have found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more deep dives into AI, and share this with someone who still thinks robots are going to take over the world. And hey, also drop in a comment below. What is the craziest AI myth you have heard so far? I'll be picking one to feature in the next episode. So until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and never stop questioning the buzz. This is Sudeep signing off. Thank you.